Check out this Jeep 2018 Grand Cherokee Altitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control, front dual-zone AC, rear window defroster and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.